Hello, I, Shivani from BA Political Science Honors, Delhi University, welcomes you all watching over there. So, I'll be discussing over the topic of how bill becomes law. So, let's start the discussion. As we know, the laws making power are inherited in those representatives which we chose directly or indirectly. In states, we have Vidhayak or MLAs. They make laws in Vidhan Sabha. At the center, we have Sansad or MP. They make laws in the parliament. There are two houses of parliament, which is also first is lower house, which is also called Lok Sabha, and second is upper house, which is called Rajya Sabha. This we have three lists: union list, state list, and concurrent list. Union list are those lists on which laws can be made by only the center, such as defense, banking, railway, foreign affairs, etc. Next is state list. State list are those lists on which states can make laws only, such as agriculture, public health, land, liquor, trade, and commerce of the state. The last is concurrent list. The concurrent list are those lists on which both of the government can make laws, such as education, trade, forests, etc. To the topic, the law making procedure, how a bill becomes a law. So there are various stages on which a bill becomes a law. At the very first stage, any law starts up with a public demand, extreme public demand, or ideologic. At the second stage, it is written in the form of document, which is also called a bill, which having a proper information, the whole information regarding the law or the bill. At the third stage, the bill is presented on the floors of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. At the fourth stage, after passing from both the houses and from the president, it goes for the executive for implementation of the act. So, let's note two more things about the bill. There are two kinds of bill: public bill, which is also called government bill, and private bill. Public bills are those bills which are presented by ministers, like defense bill will be presented by the defense minister, finance bill will be presented by the finance minister, but the private bill is presented by mainly non-minister MPs, generally by the oppositions. So basically there are four kinds of bill which are presented. First, constitutional amendment bill. Second, money bill, which includes loans or tax related bills. Third, finance bill, which is money and additional topics, and the rest falls under the ordinary bill. So, money bill and finance bill are those which can be presented in initially Lok Sabha. Here we comes at the crux of the video. Here are the stages from a bill to become an act. Suppose, for an example, suppose for now we have an ordinary bill. So it could be presented in either of the houses, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. So assume it again. Assume that the bill is presented on the floors of the Lok Sabha. So the first stage will be the introduction stage. This stage includes reading, topics, headings, etc. On this stage, the bill will be introduced to the Lok Sabha members. At the second stage, which is also called discussion stage, this stage consists of discussion over the bill clause by clause. Maybe some changes occurs through discussion or internal body. Basically, the bill will be shaped at this stage. The third stage, voting stage. This includes the final voting and the decision of whether the bill will be passed or not. So, there are two circumstances of it. If the bill is passed, then it will be sent it to the Rajya Sabha, and if not passed by the simple majority, then it will not send to the Rajya Sabha. So when it is sent it to the Rajya Sabha will follow the same procedure as followed in the Lok Sabha. They will go through the three stages accordingly: introduction stage, discussion stage, and voting stage. If the Rajya Sabha has made any alteration, changes, suggestions, recommendation to the bill, then it will go back to the Lok Sabha for reconsideration. But if the Rajya Sabha has passes the bill with the simple majority, then it goes to the president for his approval. At this stage, presidents would make it an act. So, if any situation occur like disagreement over the bill between the two houses, the president will call for a joint sitting, and there they discuss over it to the solution. So, thank you guys for watching.